Today, nothing emanates from my consciousness other than that which will bless and heal. This lesson teaches us the law of cause and effect, the plaything of the soul. Sages have always taught that our thoughts and acts ride on a return circuit, and that they never fail to react upon us until we have transcended the negative causation set in motion by such acts. This is why we are taught that we should do to others what we would like them to do to us. It is the old law of the returning circle. In this law alone can we find exact justice, and through understanding this law come to realize with Robert Browning, all's love, yet all's law. The universe imposes neither evil nor limitation upon us, nor can we impose evil or limitation upon it. However, being free agent, we may and must experience, at least temporarily, the result of our own acts. As the Bhagavad Gita tells us, the lamp of wisdom shining in the darkness of ignorance alone can free us. Realizing that the universe has bestowed upon me the divine right to be affected by my own act, today I guard all of my thoughts, seeing to it that nothing emanates from my consciousness other than that which blesses and heals. If nothing goes forth from me that can hurt, then nothing can return to me that can harm. The knowledge of this truth makes me wise. The consciousness of good at the center of my being is my sanctuary. Faith in the justice of the universe is my altar. Upon this altar, I lay my offering of peace, of joy, and of prosperity for the whole world.